Hi, this is Tim Petzold, the AustinRugCleaner.com. I own Aegis Fine Rug Cleaning, and I've been cleaning rugs for 36 years. Persian and Oriental rugs are all that we clean at Aegis Fine Rug Cleaning in Austin, Texas. Now, here's a quick little tip about how to protect your rugs from not only dirt, but from your pets, because pets are everyone's favorite. They love to come in and lay around on the rugs, and that's okay. But what happens is they will often urinate on the rugs, which also is where your furniture is, normally on a corner. Excuse me. And so what I recommend that you do to keep a beautiful rug like this from getting these stains that I'm pointing out to you here, and then we have another one here, and we have another one here. So you can see what I'm talking about. Beautiful rug. The good thing is this is so busy that it's not as noticeable as it can be on different types of rugs. But what's happened is the dogs have urinated on the furniture, the legs of the furniture to be exact, and then that's loosened the varnish, which gets onto the wool, and then it's almost like you've re-dyed the rug. It can't safely come out. There's people that say that they can get it out. They can do it, but it comes at the expense of how strong your rug will be for the next 100 years. So it's not something that I would recommend doing because it's dangerous, and it often doesn't work even if they promise that it does. So all of this can be prevented by just using furniture casters or coasters or whatever you want to call them underneath, so there's some kind of a barrier between the wood legs or the metal legs and your rug. If you can do that, the dogs can come in and have a field day with the rug, and it doesn't make any difference because you know a really good rug cleaner, me. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, of course, you can always call me at my office, 512-327-1900, or you can visit other videos I've got on this website, theaustinrugcleaner.com. Take care.